Hey there, Marriott. It's me, Louise. Oh, you can't see me behind these boxes of tissue. But this is what I go through every single Thanksgiving. I go to visit my really great sister Nina in upstate New York and her cute kids, Rachel and Cooper. I love them to death. But they have cats, and within 2 hours, I am sniffling. One of the cats rivals the Thanksgiving turkey, 27 pounds. This year, I would love to enjoy a really restful Thanksgiving and pleasant one with them, and none of this. So, I would love to win your contest. Free weekend at the Spring Hill Suites. It would be fabulous. I wouldn't hate the cats. My niece and nephew would love me. So, save the cat. Let me win the contest. Thanks. Bye-bye.